We have had a roller coaster of temperatures over the last 5 days with several systems coming through East Tennessee, each one briefly warming us up and then and now I got this. Third time's the charm. Don't normally have trouble with wet weather, but today I can't get the words out. 3, 2, 1. Over the last 5 days, we have had several systems come through East Tennessee. Ahead of each one, you get that southwesterly flow, and on the backside, you get cold air. So we've done a lot of ups and downs with our temperatures recently, including today. High temperature of 50, that occurred in the middle of the night around about 3:45 a.m. or so. Then we spent most of the afternoon in the mid-40s in most of our viewing area. Colder air moves in overnight tonight, though, and highs tomorrow stay in the low to mid-30s. With a little bit of a breeze, making it feel more like the 20s all day long, despite the sunshine that we're going to be seeing. There's that little southwesterly wind as we go into Monday, getting up to a whole 40 degrees if we're lucky. And then we're staying again in the low to mid 30s as we go into the day on Tuesday. Then we rebound again as we get into the middle of next week ahead of our next chance for some precipitation. Now, as far as precipitation goes, overnight tonight, I wouldn't be surprised if our eastern counties see some little sprinkles in the lower elevations or maybe some flurries up in the mountains. Newfound Gap Road is closed again, by the way, probably because of this and any kind of refreezing that's going on from the past several events. After that system moves out, though, we get to have dry weather for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Get 4 days of dry weather, but it's going to be a very cold, dry stretch that we're going to have here across East Tennessee. And looking at your 7-day planner, you can really see that reflected with your temperatures here. Look at these morning lows. Upper teens and low 20s tonight. Same story again Monday. Tuesday, we could actually have some parts of our viewing area in the single digits into the low to mid-teens to start off the day. And again, staying around or even below freezing for most locations. Cold again to start the day on Wednesday. And then we see that moderating trend at least back up into the 40s as we go into the end of the week with several systems that are set to move on through. Make sure you check back for updates to the forecast.